on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna be doing some power-driven 7mm delivery valves, and this 12 valve has a p7100 on it. So this is 96. So yeah, we're gonna get some delivery valves installed today. Show you all that, give y'all specifications and all the good stuff. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna lay out some tools here in a second, show you what you're gonna need for this job. All right, guys, it's pretty simple tools. This is optional, impact, 3/8 impact, but you want a common socket set with common socket sizes, preferably deep. You'll need your parts that you're going to be doing the job with. You'll need a delivery valve socket. This in here is a blue point. Y'all probably can't see that. See if I can find it here. There's the number on it. Maybe y'all can read that. I'll arc it back and forth. Anyways, you'll need a delivery valve socket, and you'll need a torque wrench. Alright, guys, we're going to be pulling our fuel rails off. As in the video you've seen, I was taking the return lines loose. That was a brain fart, I guess, because you're not supposed to take them loose for this job. So we'll take our ejector lines off, set them to the side, and then these are our delivery valves are underneath here. Underneath all these, you have a socket, special socket like I showed y'all earlier. It's right here. They'll just slide right over that, and then you can take them loose. Alright, guys, we got our socket here. We're going to put it on top of our delivery valves. We already installed the first one. We're going to show you installation and everything. They're a little tight, so snug on her a little bit, or get a bigger ratchet. Guys, whenever you come to take this off, there's a spring and another little piece in there. You don't want them to fall out, so you angle it, pull her out. Here's your spring, and then that's the other piece you don't want to fall out. Get a magnet. There's your delivery valve, your factory one. And then get an angle pick, make sure it's clean. And get that washer, that shim out of there. You won't be using it when you install the new one. You get your new delivery valve. You can use your magnet, sit it back down in there, and pop your magnet off there. It's all the way down. Then you take your holder and carefully hold your spring. Hold your spring with something until you can get it down in there, and then you can drop it down. And and you'll need to torque it. So you'll torque it to the first pass. You torque it to 25 foot-pounds, and then in one motion, you'll torque it to 80 foot-pounds on the second pass, and then it'll be good to go. We'll show you that here in a second. All right, when you take your hold down out, you'll have your hold down. This piece here slides out just like this, that direction. So your bigger end will go in first when it's upside down, and then your spring slides on right here, over here, goes in like that, and then you'll pull your old delivery valve out, and then this washer, or this deal, it's on the bottom side on. So it's stacked just like...
Not on all pumps.
Not on all pumps, but on this pump, it has just like this. This is exactly how it is inside the truck, or in the injection pump. Alright guys, we pre-torqued 25, which we've already got them here. Anyways, we got them at 25, and then after you do 25 all the way down on your pre-torque, then you'll set your torque wrench to 80 foot-pounds of torque. Alright. And then in one pass, torque them to 80. Which isn't much movement really. Alright, now they're all torqued. We're gonna crank the engine over and blow any dirt that may be stuck inside there. If any dirt drop down in there, we're gonna crank the truck over and let it shoot fuel out to make sure there's no dirt in there.
Do not stand in front of the holes.
Don't stand in front of the holes. It will spray fuel out. Alright guys, we gotta tighten up our lines. We left them loose so we could crank it over and get fuel coming out of all the injector lines for bleeding it. And then after we get fuel coming out of all of them, we tighten them up, and then we can start the truck now. Together last night. Here, I opened the hood back up. We got it put back together last night, and I think I went over the sizes with you. Your fuel lines were 19 millimeter. You have a 10 millimeter here. All your air horn intake bolts are 10 millimeters. Then you use 11 millimeter or 7/16 here. It's a deep socket you need for it. Like I said, then you got that special socket I showed y'all for the hold downs for the delivery valves. They sell upgraded delivery valve hold downs and upgraded lines. You can go up to a bigger size and all that good stuff if you wanted to. Yeah, guys, overall, it's not a bad job. I mean, if you want to do it, it's just more expensive because you have to have a torque wrench and you have to have that socket. I think that socket on Power Driven site was showing it was about $65 or so for the socket to fit here. And then the delivery valves, they were on sale when I bought them, but they usually run about $200. And then if you have to buy a torque wrench, you can buy a cheaper one probably for around $200. Mine's Snap-on, so it runs a little higher than that. But if you already have it, wouldn't be a bad deal. Or you could borrow it from someone if you knew someone that had it. We borrowed the socket because I had a friend that had one. Like I said, overall, not a bad job. Just like I said, you got to watch those parts that are in there. You don't want to drop that spring or that little I don't even know what you'd call that thing. Anyways, you don't want to drop anything doing the job. You don't want to drop anything off in there. And you can see we kept a rag inside our intake tube here because we didn't want to drop a delivery valve in it. So we kept a rag stuffed in there just in case. But guys, overall pretty easy job. We'll do a little drive or whatever, show y'all. It does actually run better. It was noticeably different. Like I said, I have the 200 horse injectors in it already, so adding the delivery valves really did a lot for it. I mean, me driving it before and driving it after, I could tell a big difference. The turbo stays, it seems like it spools easier now, but like I said, I could notice the difference in it. Anyways, yeah, we'll do some driving, see kind of how it runs and all that. Alright guys, doing us a drive. I ain't gonna get on it too hard, just speed up like I normally would. She hazes a little bit back there, can't really tell. Sorry for the shaking, a little rough, road ain't great. EGT's cruising about 75. We got about 700 on the EGT, so it ain't much different than before. It might have got a little hotter from adding them, but ain't too bad. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any comments or anything that you would like to see in the future for videos, just comment below and we will try to make whatever videos that appeal to y'all. So and again, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have any comments or anything that you would like to see in the future for videos, just comment below and we will try to make whatever videos that appeal to y'all. So and again, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video, guys.